Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having the most incredible day. This is your first time on my channel. Girl, my chair makes so much noises, but I feel like I'm like a princess and I'm just like flying around. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sebastian and I welcome you guys with open arms. I do tea videos every single day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would be so incredibly grateful. That was a very messy intro, but you know what? At the same time, if you're looking for a new messy best friend who's gonna always spill the tea, girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button because listen, I am living la vida loca. No, I'm not living the vida loca. I'm living the vida messy, bitch. But you know who is living the vida loca? Mr. Ricky Martin, girl. So grab a snack and a drink because we gotta talk because Ricky Martin has been accused of domestic violence in Puerto Rico. And guess what, you guys? The victim, the alleged victim, is not his spouse. Okay? So listen, TMZ is reporting multiple Spanish outlets that operate in Puerto Rico, including Telemundo, reported Saturday that a protective order is in the process of being filed and executed against the pop star in Pop star in a municipality near San Juan. Girl, I can't read. Citing law enforcement officials who confirmed the complaint falls within their Law 54 statute, which deals with DV. Girl, domestic violence, right? So it says here that the report state an anonymous person who goes unnamed recently appeared before a judge in their own right to seek the TRO without going to the police first and without Ricky being present. And the order was apparently granted based on the evidence presented. So the judge already granted the restraining order. So which means that the evidence that was given to this judge must have been like hardcore because like they just presented this evidence to the girl, listen, I need a restraining order. And the judge said, okay, granted, okay? So then it says, some reports are saying the alleged victim is a male while others suggest it's a female. One outlet claiming to have seen the docs themselves says they read in part the parties were related for 7 months. They separated 2 months ago, but the petitioner does not accept the separation. He calls him frequently. In addition, the petitioner has seen him hanging around his residence at least three different occasions, and the petitioner allegedly fears for his life. Okay. Listen, and it says here, I mean, Ricky's married to a very sexy man named Juan Joseph, who he has 4 children with, okay? It says the petitioning party demonstrated that there is a substantial possibility of immediate risk of abuse. As a result, in the order reportedly being granted, Ricky has to steer clear of the person, including avoiding all communication until this can get cleared up before a judge. As of Saturday, cops in Puerto Rico told AP they had not located Ricky to serve him. Of course, Ricky, it says here that Ricky has several, properties in Puerto Rico, and that it's interesting that this is surfacing now, days after he was sued by his ex-manager who claimed to acknowledge of a career-ending allegation, you guys, from which she says she helped shield him. So basically, an ex-manager said that she knows something that could end his career in 3 seconds, but that she has helped him, shield him from that, kept it a secret. These reps did report back to TMZ and said, the allegations against Ricky Martin that led to a protection order are completely false and fabricated. We are very confident that when the true facts come out in this matter, our client Ricky Martin will be vindicated. So this is insane, you guys, because the ex-manager is suing Ricky Martin for $3 million, citing career-ending allegations. So it says here, Ricky Martin is being sued for more than $3 million by his former manager, Rebecca Drucker, who claims she was not paid for allegedly saving and reviving his music career. This complaint only scratches the surface. Rebecca looks forward to having her day in court and prosecuting her claims in front of a jury. It says here in the lawsuit, Drucker accuses the internationally recognized singer-songwriter of a flagrant breach of contract and seeks damages in excess of $3 million, subject to discover and accounting and in amount to be proven at trial. It says here, with Rebecca by his side, Ricky made millions of dollars and therefore owes Rebecca substantial commissions. A 15-page legal complaint obtained by Deadline reads. Girl, I'm not going to read 15 pages. But it says here, this is like the crazy part. So she says here, she was then, okay, so it says, Rebecca was, okay, girl, I have to read this part, right? It says, Drucker served as Puerto Rican singer's manager and top advisor between 2014 and 2018 before she resigned following a particularly ugly incident in Dubai, right? So it says here, she was then called back to his employment. The lawsuit claims Martin begged Rebecca to return when he faced a potentially career-ending allegation back in 2020. Drucker said was instrumental in helping Ricky emerge unscathed and proceeded with his professional resurgence. Following the... Why do these people like such big words? Following the allegations, she alleges in the legal complaint filed with the LA Central District Court on June 29th. So it's honestly, it says here that she was his, manager, then she came back and she helped him with an allegation that, could have ended his career. And now 3-4 days later, there is there's reports about there's a restraining order with Ricky Martin because he was allegedly being crazy with an ex or with somebody. Because remember, it says here, the report said an anonymous person who goes unnamed recently appeared before a judge in their own right to seek whatever, blah, 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 granted based on the evidence presented. And it also says here that the victim is a male, right? And it says here that they were together for 7 months and separated just 2 months ago. So this is weird, right? A lot of people are saying that this is his ex-manager, but then it doesn't make sense with the timeline because they were together 2 months ago, and there's an incident that was reported back in 2020 that she helped him get cleared from. So this might be two separate things. Damn, listen, bitch, a lot of things go on in Hollywood, okay, that you just don't know. Everyone always sees Ricky Martin, he's doing this, he's doing this, and he's all about yoga and stuff. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, but I would never picture Ricky Martin. I never pictured Ricky Martin in any kind of drama. I hope it's not too crazy. But we're going to see if the judge granted, look, if a judge granted you a protection order, it's because you showed enough evidence that makes, the law say this person could be dangerous for, you can be in danger with this person. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you believe Ricky Martin is innocent? Or, girl, what do you think is happening? Because Ricky Martin, girl, there's a lot coming out now. And, you just can't trust people. Honestly, Hollywood is crazy. Like in Beauty Shop, one of my favorite movies, one of them, she says, MTV is the devil. And you know what, bitch? I think it is. Anyways, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.